Hello to all the awesome peoples out there. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, I am Bhavya and I make videos around journaling, books, and life. So if we share the same vibes, follow along in this journey of growing up and living life. So it's 16th of June and yesterday was 15 and it was my birthday, guys. So that explains this cute background. Okay, सारे balloons ऊपर से गिर चुके हैं. So it's like the bed is full of balloons and it looks so cute. That's why I'm making the video here. Say hi to my teddy. So yeah, I turned 17 yesterday and I have completed 200 days of daily journaling today. I have been journaling since like past 9 years, but I've never been this consistent, guys. And I have completed like 200 days of daily journaling. Super proud of myself, and this video is gonna be about what I learned in this past 200 days. So let's get into the video. So let's start with how all of this started and how after 9 years of journaling I decided to go into daily journaling. So around 20th of November, like the last week of November, there was a lot going on in my life and a lot going on in my head, and I wanted to process it better. So I was like, I'm just gonna write it in my diary and just get it all out from my head. And I just started writing it, okay, and then it kind of became like a daily routine of mine. And just around that time, I also discovered the journaling side of YouTube. I met really good creators, and especially Carrie Walker. She literally inspired me so much to just like start doing this daily journaling thing, where she has been journaling for like daily journaling for like a really long time. So that was so inspirational for me, and I decided that I am going to start doing that too. So I started 28th of November. It's 16th of June today. So it's been like 200 days, and it's been worth it. This new habit, it was worth it. And then after journaling daily for the entire month of December, I decided that I am gonna bring this habit with me into the new year. And it's been 6 months and I have been consistent with this habit. And yeah, so I am pretty proud of myself for that, because it's like a huge achievement writing daily for 200 days and not giving up. So before we move to the part what this 200 days taught me, I'd like to show you guys my journals that I used in this like past 200 days. So this one was my second journal from 2024, and I have written so I wrote like this much of the daily journaling part in it, okay. And end में इसके pages ख़त्म हो गए थे, ठीक है. So I was like, I'm not gonna buy a new journal for like 15 days. So I thought कि I'm just gonna write daily on this like loose sheets. And then I made like this little compartment thingy here. You can see, wait, I made like this compartment thingy here to just like store. So here it goes. This is my second journal. So this is my 2025 journal, and I'm almost done with it. If you can see, I've written this much. And yeah, so these are the two journals. Like I started my daily journaling here, and the rest of 6 months is here. So yeah, I'll keep them here. Okay. So you guys can see them while we talk about it. And if you want to start journaling daily, so I have some tips. If you are like already journaling or you want to start daily journaling, so the first thing is, don't take it as a task. I've already said this in my previous video also, but don't look at it as a task. It's not a task, it's for you to grow, to find clarity. And as you start journaling now, you'll realize that you are able to process your thoughts better. Like whenever you are having some sort of problem, just sit down and start writing about it, and trust me, you will find the solution by the end of your journaling entry. Because sometimes we just know what the solution is, but our mind is like so crowded that we just look at the negativity but not the positive side. So I highly recommend doing it if you're like going through something in your life, or just in general. If you overthink a lot, it's like a great way to just like manage your thoughts. Sometimes I'll like just write like a one line, you can see, because not every day is same. I don't want to journal every day. I don't feel like journaling every day. So I know it's not like, don't take it as a task. Someday I like write this much, and someday I literally just write this much. And it's not just about what you do in your day, but how you feel. So it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be in a certain way. Like some people have this rule that I am gonna write one page a day, and that's good. I don't have any rules for myself. I just go with the flow. Sometimes I'll just like write one line, and that's enough for me for that day. So that's how you get into it, because if you look at it as a task, oh my god, I have to daily journal, like that's such a task, then it's never gonna work out. Like just see, I have been journaling for past 200 days, and it's like a huge thing. Like I literally have 200 days of my life written here on this like paper, and it's like huge, right? But I have done it because I don't look at it as a task. But if you start looking at it as a task, it's gonna be really difficult. I used to feel the same when I started it, how I'm gonna do it. But then I just went with the flow, and it happened, and here we are celebrating our 200 day. I'm super happy. And just before we wrap up this video, the last thing I'm going to talk about is why you should start. Like, you must be thinking that why should I give my time to something like this? Why should I just like write about my day when like I can just go with it? Why do I have to remember everything? When you journal, it's not just about remembering, but it's about processing things. As I said, when I started doing it, there was like a lot going on in my head, there was a lot going on in my life. But I realized that as I kept writing and writing, I have changed a lot. Like even if I ask my friends or the people who knows me, they say that they have seen that positive change, and like that a little more calmness in me. I'm like a little more composed since I've started this, because it's like I just don't keep anything in my head. I like daily, whenever, even a slightest thing that happens, I'll try to write it down. Yeah, sometimes it's not easy for even me to just like, write everything that I feel here, but I still try my best to do it. I'll sometimes avoid it for 2 days, 3 days, but at the end I'll do it because I know that it's beneficial. It's really beneficial because the way you process thing, it changes. The way you think, it changes. Okay, because if you're looking at one thing, okay, why is this happening, why is that happening, I don't know what to do, I am giving up, that's the thought you get in your head. But when you will start journaling, you will start to like process it, that okay, why is this happening, I shouldn't feel like this. And then it's like you are having a conversation with your own mind, with your own heart. And it's like, it's beautiful. You are literally fixing your own problems while documenting it. And I can just like look back at them after like 5 years, after like 1 year, and I will be like, okay, I was going through a lot, but I still like manage it like a pro. So start it. Just start journaling, and trust me, it will be the best choice you make for yourself. I say this to all my friends, I say this to everyone. Just start journaling. Literally, it's the best thing you can do to yourself. I always thank my younger self for like starting something so incredible, and I'm so proud of her for just like making this decision when she was so young. Because I always say this is the best decision I made for myself, and I'll always cherish it because I have all my memories written down. I always like have clarity with my thoughts, and you should do it too. No matter what your age is, no matter what phase of life you're going through, just start journaling and you'll love it. So I'm gonna wrap up this video here only, but do let me know in the comment section what you think about things I talked about today, and just tell me how many days you have been journaling, when did you start journaling. Share your journaling journey in the comment section below, and also give some suggestions regarding videos. I would love to know what you guys want to watch, and I'll see you guys in the next one.